Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to do a short, fun video today and just share one of the funniest print-on-demand products I have seen to date. I also am kind of taking some mental notes here because it's a Christmas sweater, but they are marketing it already. So they're out ahead of the sales rush and probably just trying to see what keywords and what demographics in terms of their audience is going to perform well based on, when they put this ad in front of people, are they engaging with it? Are they watching the video? Are they clicking? Are they converting? All these things on the internet can be tracked. They can be measured. And depending on where you're advertising, various demographic, psychographic characteristics also about your audience can be quantified. And it helps you optimize your ad spend so that you can, get your product in front of the people that it's most likely to convert and resonate with. So that's what I want to share with you in this video. Let's get right to it. All right, so this is the ad on Twitter that caught my attention. And you know what? I will restart it and I'll turn off the music. Sorry about that. But let's go full screen and just check this out. So it's really cool, by the way, how they got this video created to highlight the design of their product. I don't know exactly where they went to get this done because it looks like a 3D rendering, but anybody who's paying attention to the design, by the way, this is absolutely hilarious. It's like well, I don't know if they have like different skin colors, but it's like a skin color for me, for a white person, I guess. And it's got like various Santa Claus tattoos and Christmas light chain and ornaments on the nipples. I mean, it's just hilarious. And the on the abdomen, it says, what did it say? Like Xmas life or something like that. So they're trying to have, the viral, hilarious Christmas sweater of 2022. And I think they have a chance. You know what I mean? I don't know what their ad spend looks like, but this showed up in my Twitter feed and I had to save it and do a quick video on it because I thought it was hilarious. And in terms of designing ads that work, I mean, look at how they did this ad. It puts the different elements of the design that all could not be visible if this was just a static image, puts it all in front of you, and it's very zoomed in so we can actually see the various design elements. So just keep in mind, guys, like what makes an effective ad, or not even if it's an ad, doesn't have to be an ad, but what if we're just organically trying to sell on, an e-commerce website? We need to have a clear-cut value proposition in the sense that in this case, we don't even see the price, right? We just see 50% off if you care to look. But what's the value proposition here? It's really that this sweatshirt is unique. You know what I mean? It's clearly a Christmas sweater. It comes through in the design, but they also put the Christmas tree emoji. But it's a unique, really funny, I mean, not everybody's going to find it funny, but a lot of people are going to find it funny, design on a Christmas sweater. And it's out of Christmas, right? It's not Christmas yet, which almost makes you like stop and double take at it. You're like, wait a second, a Christmas sweater? Why am I seeing this right now? Oh, by the way, this is also hilarious. And also the pacing of the video is so quick. A lot of people, like younger people, I think, are getting more used to the short form content. And the fact that this video is constantly moving, constantly rotating, it's got the lights, it's got the snow overlay, it's constantly changing frames. I think that's just a really effective ad. I mean, this is just me. No one's paying me to say this. This is just my personal opinion. I mean, it worked on me. So I think they're doing something right. I don't know how much they spent on Twitter, but you can see it's been retweeted 166 times, 70 quote tweets, 1,352 likes, and this was tweeted at the end of August. So it's, definitely not like lingering from last year. This is new. And this account, by the way, only has 711 followers. So it's just, I don't even know. It's probably only existing on Twitter because they want to peddle this specific design, or maybe they have other designs. But when you click the ad, it takes you to their, what do you think? Shopify? Let's guess. Shopify, most likely, maybe? Control F, Shopify. No, not Shopify. WordPress? I don't know. I don't know who's hosting their website, but anyways, not Shopify. You can typically tell in the source code. They've got it sized extra small through 6XL, and they're only charging $39.99, which this is what always makes me wonder. Like, is this being shipped from China maybe? Just because if you wanted to get Printful to fulfill an order with an all-over print sweatshirt, I'm guessing it's going to cost you, like, this wouldn't even be profitable at $40, or it would barely be possible. Like, I know the all-over print t-shirt that I was just looking at was $27, so the sweatshirt's probably like $30 to $35. So, and you got to imagine if they're running ads on Twitter and maybe other places, they're paying for impressions, they're paying for clicks. etc. So this is just I don't know. I don't know how they're maintaining profitability. I don't know who's fulfilling it. I know the all over print typically has a higher price point that's passed on to the sellers. So something worth considering. But check out. So you click the ad, and to all my Shopify sellers, you guys probably already know this, but you really want to optimize for the sale. So you don't need to send them to the homepage of your website. Send them straight to the product page. Put a big green button, like a big button that stands out that says add to cart. Like in this case, what does the end user actually need to do on this page? What do they need to do? They need to select a size, which by the way, it defaults to XS, extra small, and it's green. So the 2 action items, they color coded on this page. These little things, these little optimizations, they actually translate at scale into less effective ads or more effective ads. And even though this has nothing to do with the ad, because we're already, we've already engaged with the ad, the effectiveness of an ad does ultimately, like whether we convert or not, whether we check out or not, is going to roll back up into the bottom line of that ad that we clicked. So color coding the 2 things that require action from us, the size, the add to cart button, really smart. The way this page is laid out is quite smart. I'm not just saying that. I think it's really smart. And then they're incentivizing you to buy more than one. Buy 2, get 10% off. 3, get 12% off. 4, get 15% off. So, and they're saying 98% of customers buy 2 to 3 pieces. Probably not true, but hey, who's there to tell? And that's it, guys. So that's really what I wanted to show in this video. I was just feeling inspired because I thought this was a really effective, well-executed ad. I like that the landing page, it takes you straight to where you can buy the product. Again, we've laid out how the web page is optimized for conversions, and it'll be interesting to kind of keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on I won't really know how successful they are. Maybe I could track the review count on the website, but that could also be faked. But also just tracking the engagement with this tweet. That's one of those that is probably a good indicator of how well it's performing. So anyways, what did you guys think of this ad? Is this the funniest Christmas sweatshirt you've seen this year? Let me know in the comments below. If not, let me know what your favorite Christmas sweater is. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with the new video.